ente sa wa wonim se wiase na yeden enti ohaw ne ba ediska sika seye ene ne yekeka ho enti monye no kakra na yemfa aseda emanyankopon awie no na enkonimdie abeye wodia memo munyina fishapa nkwala no so school home enti montomboase na munyi libronya no sede ese medamase
Afishiapo midinve akosia kisiwa dankwa manager wa Regenest Hotel mema akomanti fo nyina ene omo management nyina afishiapa afin kometu yen and to all our guests and you be biara support yen you be biara obahanso yema mu nyina afishiapa afin kometu yen biom we promise you nothing but the best in 2023. Thank you all for the support. Afishiapo
Within the Edna Ketekulai branch manager, Equapim Rural Bank, Edukrum branch. Menam Okuman radio so Emma customers in Yana Fishiapa. Edumapa money ye afia etremu. Yeshe nim say afidan so yen mobe koso ananto sa yedamase ene insa so amone bank no edi yempa ebone say radisro bia dwumaso mo adwuma ye a na bank no so yetumpon enti sene amedi kankan no mejina Okuman radio so Emma customers nyina wo okre bante mu hanyina afishiapo.
Hello, I'm Mary Lomoki Amlalu, headmistress of Presbyterian Senior High Technical School, Edukrum. I'm wishing both teaching and non-teaching staff, including our students, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy the holidays.
Hello, me pacho Editina Enterprise new. Yema ukuapime nyina fishiapa. Ekuapim yema ma fishiapa okuma fonso. Yedamase afini amuba ekruma bebre ne na maya mo ukuapima. Ye ni sopa nyame nkoso antre mo ahyem na adwuma ne nye kese. Na entretre nko ba bi bebre. Kuma afo mo yebue. Yedamase yo menne ene nkwense ene me akwanya se mmiri mo me no bebiri ne mede edew ohima nana abro kwa kumia the fourth ni me ebiriman no asokwa aye mo so na aka me okreama ne na urade nkwense ka akoma ni okreama ani wo so pa enumdi ese na papa wo ma ene okreama iwos ebo ni afasa ka akoma ni so ni nyene district na otokwala ene yire so ne ho boy ne dambotwe so ngba dambotwe ene mo pa twise na mo so ne hunye kre district ne Kenneth so ene mo na me message de say efinefo asokoya chimo esokosen wiase pe de bo ho basa hwanyan no asokoya chimo esokosen awofo anso kete mo bi enete ki se ka kama ebe hu na se popon na si ekurate no asokoya bo ma adwene se abachi mo bi na esokosen esukufo ensi ma kpomo asokoya bo modern mo bi nyotoko mpre na boy ete abena efure kura bo efimons na hu mi se de se simi akoyete na ho woro ba so ochimo kosen ne dudu bi akoyala bede pin akoya eta na ho wosi soyo achi bi asa na ben mu enyemi anso asokoya katamobite achi bi asokoya katamot na mbe ho enyesem obo emoyo ne monye na mu yintiama achi amu school na sei mu enya mu na kura no medi me bi sese elebe semo semba mo enyese na wura ngasi bi amia mamu oso nyase bomme debe kan ye ne teenage pregnancy ne momola enya so enebo emme ne enwochi tete me bunya na mo nso omobo careful buachi ayo and discipline ma abehu se mo ne we enya awe a achi awe a mo si bebre ne abom kosen ne hu melela akoya kan ene senso ene mbe ne ene ho omremia so na bunya mi hye ne simi akoya ne ba nyi so ho ene me ne de wa mape se afi ne fo na fi na tue ne na fi nye ne bebe tue ne ni chie ne so bunya mi hye ne pe.
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Conte.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuman Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Okuman Radio 97.1.
Should I want to say, I was glad when they said unto me, let us go into the house of the Lord. Bringing our time is just about 20 more minutes. Na 11 a.m. and now the 22nd day in the month of December 2022. Once again, we are blessed because we trust in the Lord and have made the Lord our hope and confidence. We are like a tree planted along the river bank with our root deep into the waters. We fear no heat, and we are not even anxious in the year of drought. And we said we'll never stop producing fruit. James say amen, wo baby, I will be a. Your friend Nana, Kwame, and Perry. We bet me a friend the finest and men in our catch enemy. And then I actually am pon buluba sekubasa ye adom no aye na dama. Na yabomodin akọ ye keteso asore sakrati asefo amoja di afusani wo yemu no. Masem ya semtia. Bible no kra ma ya tia se se nia wowu no ene ni da so. Izan se dia ye twa no so kra wani da so se dama bi obefefe. Mami twa ni tia na me no emmompaye emagana ene ye nnwuma ene ya brabo a aka e 2022 mu.
Na mi mu le fami no mu na Yesu di mi jao we many na mi mu ebra we maso shemi ma
Shemima, Naminya, Wejuma, Shemima, Naminya, Wasa, so great, that's in Amimo, yes, so did me. family no. Let's me the family no curry, me say me enquire adivi. Yeah, from an Kwame Peru, but me from the finest, and men in our catch you in a man. Winning parboard tray, abra or costro. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy in the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. What you say, Ami? Ne woman say, and ne. Asama me de ma ya semtia. Aka just about 9 more days, papa. Na 2022 abanewe. Minimum advice when it does wasa. Who be sound safi me twa bedu sambre. Ni ametro gu paper so. Ni amekọ 31st night kokan nyina urade wantimi amwa me amanambem. But I came to tell you something this morning. They said, "Dia ye twaso." When it does so said, "Dama be minua ebe fefe." Ni awawu, ene eni daso. Enti sa wo ye taxi driver, trotro driver. Ni eto no obi de so sen wo de. But ade ba ko pe na me pesa ujitu mu se nya ni daso. Na nya gidie se. Nyame betimi asachire wiem abrebiara e de amount. Hwe wogbejeke papa baby ayefi any baby urade di abedu. It is just by the grace that we are still alive. Sometimes life look very sour. Sometimes who say you are down. Sometimes who say bibi awuye bia enko. Who say we are singing ampim. Who feel say somebody baby adu adenko na wutimi kosa ahohia yimo. Brother, sister, I would tear me on a pair with Juma Bia, and young Kwan and Towadi, and young Kwan Wakaji Bank Bosia, and young Kwan Wakoton Adia Waboka, and young Kwan Wakodigo Assembly Sikana shit. But I dear Bark open a me person up with the show team. Say, dear ye can so, dear I ye can so, and when he does so said, Dama be obefe. Nyania what would pet and any dasso. Anope yankebe menije ebe san ye ma wo pa se mi be hu nwuma hudoi wo be sori adi asa na wo di aye adwuma son e wo adwuma bia wo pamade ne na wo tubi wo toto nam no na wo tubi wo bomode adi dwa no na wo to nwum ne bi. At the mention of the name, every knee shall bow and every tongue indeed shall confess that Jesus is Lord. And you me shroning a troy, and you know how I am there. I want you to be in tea, or don't force the ramen for me. Vibes. And you way me call baby near born you know. But let me say that you must say me. Na me obia ubo say me ti wo kom me tie nsem. Me tie enwum ni mu asem you know I'm saying this is the song. Sunsumpe And so penny say honam yemro. Anope me mamu nyina good morning. Emamo adwuma. Just in case you just forgot. Tro date to ho. 22/12/22. And that date in a sanet here 22/12/22. Nakache on say dia ye twa no so ene ni ani da so. Ono krampo wani da so says da ma bi obafefe. Niania wowu no ene ni ani da so. Dia ye twa no so kura wani da so obafefe. Na nia wowu no ena somebody officer ni da so nyina asa. Vibes ebeye wa wutie me si ebeye ma obebisa se me kwa me nie ebeye ma obebisa se me kwa akumi nie ebeye ma obebisa se me so na nna ya hye me mpatia me enu ebeye ma obebisa se me so na nna me tuka akoma adwuma mu ebeye ma obebisa se nna me na me kan dollars wo my account mu enna me na me kan cedis akese me na me nsre ansamedi me na nkaburo nya abai me ma afoforo bi di kakra wo bi asua se wo beche and it's going to be all and it will be well with your soul. Once again, you're from Nana Kwame in Peru, to me from the finest. This is the best mid-morning show live on Okoma 97.1 radio. Nyami amatni daso tiasia. Yede ne ofe di kan no ebesi ha nemo makasem debi atro se bomoden se afi over expend kakra wo bia no suasane a obehwe so a obedi nin kakra because kai January and 30 days pe enti wanya careful na wudu sika ne sesi Christmas wudi ni nyina masa waso be shepa o enti tobo ye wie ya ye di Christmas ye bie school ye wie ya na bi dan ka wu ye wie ya na bank for be start ya juom loan sika so spend wisely, be good, be safe. Good morning.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yes, J. Martin. Yeah. Let's do this. Now waiting they happen. Why you they worry? Life for now, just so just try to take them softly. Come on. Even if you lose, with some of money. Okay. No matter the problem, never let them weigh you down. Hey, if you believe, you go defeat. Stand up to your feet and say no to your defeat. If you believe, only Jah fit do the rest. You fit be the next. Believe in me, I say. If your girlfriend, or maybe your wife, she just sleep around with your friends. Cool your temper. I say make you know they think I'm okay. No matter the way that hey my brother try forget that. Hey, if you believe, you go defeat. Stand up to your feet and say no to your defeat. Believe and do the best. Only Jah fit do the rest. You fit be the next. Believe in me, I say. Kulu kulu mama, kulu kulu papa, kulu kulu brother, kulu kulu sister, kulu kulu auntie, kulu kulu uncle, kulu kulu kulu, kulu kulu temper. Bisina rice, my and pore, okay. Biscuit na minara, even if on a sugar. Come on, food is sweet. But God should pass. Hey, STIC, like the Lord is so good. Hey, if you believe, you go defeat. Stand up to your feet and say no to your defeat. Believe and do the best. Only Jah fit do the rest. You fit be the next. Believe in me, I say. As you make a bed, I saw you lie on top. Yeah, love your neighbor. I still love your baby. Yes, vanity is vanity. Everything is vanity. Now matter of time, all of them go vamos one day. Come on, if you believe, you go defeat. Stand up to your feet and say no to your defeat. Believe and do the best. Only Javin do the rest. You fit be the next. Believe in me, I say. Kulu kulu mama, kulu kulu papa, kulu kulu brother, kulu kulu sister, kulu kulu auntie, kulu kulu uncle, kulu kulu kulu, kulu kulu temper.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Official Pro.
Biscuit na minara, even if you're not sugar. Come on, love your neighbor. I still love your baby. Food is sweet, but God is it pass. STNC, like the Lord is so good. Hey, if you believe, you go defeat. Stand up to your feet and say no to your defeat. Believe and do the best. Only Javin do the rest. You fit be the next. Believe in me, I say.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Everybody say, if you like it, good day. If you like it, bad day. Anything when you do for this life, my brother, not for your head, though. This one not true story, oh. They mountains that's in my head. Anyhow, when we dey crash the go, I saw the people, them are mental, oh. If you get the money, you no get it. I saw some people go the best say. If you talk, you no talk, they go say you too talk. Make we just stay jolly, they go. Them mama, them papa, make you hear me, well, hey. Who God has blessed, no one can call it. Everybody say now we can happy this Call me Timaya, just because I'm getting higher. Bad belly people done they wonder. Yeah, my brother man, they strike like thunder. Say them no call me Timaya. Now me be a berry papa wanna buy us. Hey, everybody done begin they wonder. Say me Maya they blow like a bazooka. Say chai, now me be the toya. Be like canary kelly poya poya. Hey, everybody wanna toya. Mama and papa them they begin to the poya poya. Chai, say now me be the toya.
with you, I get busy, cause I no go fit afford to get lazy. At all, no let opportunity pass you. No shaking, nothing they happen. Nobody want fight, but they want go happen. Hey, my guy, I go shopping because if you like say it don't they happen. No shaking, nothing they happen. Nobody want fight, but they want go. I got to work hard, but my guy, I go shopping because if you like say it don't they happen. Okay, no shaking, nothing they happen. Nobody want fight, but they want go happen. Hey, no slacking.
Yes, I have just about 45 more minutes to pop up and at 12 midday.
Keep moving, no shady dealing.
And of course, the message is simple. Keep moving. Because what says somebody will also call him.
You got to fight for yourself before you find yourself by yourself.
Yes. You got to fight for yourself.
Hold on, keep on keeping on. Gotta realize it is someone for himself. That's why I say,
my guys, what did happen? What did happen? A two baba on this one. A taxi driver, truck driver. Na bibi abako there. Peter for amowo eye edukrom. To the dang bibi abako there. Na minchiama seja. One eja champion mechanical ati. Woko eye man fensua seho. Na eye efo welder. Na minchia America. Na minchia fita fo amugu man finyina anope. Minchia munyina baako sesa man pengi.
Keep on keeping on. Gotta realize it is someone for himself. That's why I say,
my guy, nothing they happen. Shout outs going out to you, man, like Charlie.
That's why I said
Charlie. Oh, there will be Biaboko there. And to my good brother Edumanya, oh, JRA. Sequel one. Na Biaboko there. Long time no see, bro. Na minchia Mr. Afazo. Ewo Kwapimang.
There is no time to waste this.
Assist the man academics.
And pray to God to
Sammy dear Mamincha, Mr. Afazu. One Mr. Afazu.
And pray to God to give you the strength that you need to proceed. Aye. And to teach you to believe in yourself. Teach you to depend on nobody else.
Oh, yeah, I mean to be mommy refuser. Allow me.
Know that your health is
there, doctor.
Teach you to understand that your death
one allow me
in your hands.
And come on, agree.
So realize it.
And mama no person ya smart idiot. I be you know. Right and right, somebody mean for Konya Kesi na Obi Biara. from the divisional commander, district commander, entire police service amowo ekwapem odosronko amodan edi enra and if firemen and women and fire service penny pa ronyamfo samrenya mishira bebre woni dosu mama the evergreen
no playing keep moving no steady dealing
mama man good morning Anope how are you Eunice when you my for about dosu nyina mi chechi amo
for yourself before you find yourself by yourself
na me mama de enchia Dr. Sekumi Grandpa Anope Otinidengo Bibi Aboko there. And greetings going out to the entire bandsman Michelle Adam live band for money Fedodo. You can't jack na fire. In fact, lady not two women dear. Trust me, 1 in a million. 1,000 pounds. Nah, gigs squad for any melodic choir. Equipe melodic choir. BJ Omunina, Lady Franca, a good year. Everyone, just everyone. To the entire staff will be Biaramin in film. And as the programs, everybody supported. Amina Amoase, Obed, Super. Na minna kwabnada ako. AKA DJ Vibes. Menana se. Na DJ Donzi. DJ Ziggy Livina, Bella. Not forgetting the boy John Mark Bakwesi CJ manager just Obia ofidwe mo ha. You know, the team was solid. The team was very solid. And Ransom Tiasia Juma coordination on a super. And to God be the glory. Say another successful program we have. More to come, watch out. Okuma 97.1 radio. We ain't gonna joke. We mean business. And shout outs to Dr. Now Professor Opoku Benson. Prof. Kai call me and Rauma Yuhu Sampa. Sikam PDD. All right, anyway, Kaiser 25th Yebeko a year. And Yanka Ifie, near New Makudin South, so 5 Ghana, 10 Ghana, 20, 15, 30, 40. Manemra, a year MK Okuman 05592318873. 05592318873. 05592318873. And no a reference no in Brunya and a Christmas. Let's just say a koyanim. Na 25th and come any beje pa sanka me unse nipa abodompem na nka omo de aho aye o ma form ho na omo di achini e konyanka fie na bibia ye je wa ha bia ye de komo omo to make a date with us 25th and 26th ye be call aye Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital Children's Ward honso akoye ne ma fefe bronya eye mofra dia so ati ase into the hwesane awoba no wantimi anya omo ama no na ohun said ni next neighbor edi omo ahwese ni ofi na ni hwe omo me mamu nyina frishapa afidese se ni eda so te ase afidese se na samre okuapemanti ase afidese se na Ghana ma yatimi afantama pa bi afira ma samre bibia dadin ye frame na na kwa me per obetimi afra the finest meme nyina ka chire ne me ye wo mu ni se mami fanko mushafo asoye anopa yi bronya nwombe na obetimi ato oye sa ankrofo no mo manwom so mo hye ni bia vibes de oso pen ho aso mo bebo no nwom onkasa na mushaf se bronya yi Wudi usika no na wo dwen wo dan ne se obebo so. Wo dwen usika na wo dwen investment for obetimi aye. Se eye nua na hu behia wo nko ade a. Migina oba eja ene sunsun kronkron ni din mu. Ebo modin a aton safro. Isane se eja oba ene sunsun kronkron no. Yemfo mu ni agoro. Enithi na Yesu na woda na bedane eye a memorable occasion in the lives of every Christian and every believer. Enti enne asema me pesa ojitu mo ne se wo pedua to ana se enchanse mpempro cement pumbi na wo pe ato a eye bia ba akope ena me kan for dia mo no pese bomode ya tutumrika na fo wani kire ho na kope bi to mo shaft timber works for so here. I'm from 0243164674 0243164674 and 0544988575. Ebru ekwapem won sabeka mo shaft timber works wo ho omo ye curtain so 2x2 2x3 and 2x4. Mamichia George Weah nye Liberian president asem na make. Nemo George Opoku Weah. Wona wo ye proud CEO edema B Engine Ventures. Enka ne ne efrem B Engine. Ene a Blessing and Greatness Ventures. Eba quality and affordable building materials. Ebini T Engine made in Ghana quality corner molds. Plywood sizes in our tile, cement and tiling chemicals and other tiling accessories. A basamri carpentry, a honiama, and a mason for mope air glass doors, and a plumbing materials. And I may no cast up a polytank CBDSF, and then I may catch a madam for business me here polytank Cassia. I will fear. Na baby, as I'm Ruben Biato, a Blessing and Greatness Ventures. Eba electrical accessories here will be painter ye de can down home kind down over face down for floor. Ina ne bi wo ya share me che washable acrylic paint and a paint biano. When sabeke bi Blessing and Greatness Ventures for show ye. Wa abuteche kwapin wo be gas filling station from 0244 507310 0244 507310 and 020 66 7009. Blessing and Greatness Ventures. Kai saw me free delivery so. Afi one year juma ye won we decide say one person be year juma. Ni enti a me person me ka say ye wo na wo person won year juma no. Ene say Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited Samri e won kran. Set me momodin fro. Na me kan cho so wonu abaji sika ko year juma. Eno so wo mpe. Obi e ni won mo ochi eye fufu wasem so me do. Anything about startup loans, emergency loans, salary loans, working capital loans, and existing business loans, no. But one thing I saw when you Quick Credit Investment Micro Credit Limited, I share what one crime. Ni a Ghana card keke. What you from 030-2200-390, 030-2200-390, and 0596-920833, 0596-920833. What can Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited or say lending makes simple. And Ramishia Kushia na Kushia some more kind and say Nyamia your madam Emma Fia Betoye into Bomadian to any regional hotel. A pretty piarasa busumi be almost upgraded her. Wa wakwada Regionals Hotel and now wakwa Regionals Hotel no ubonso okwa unhu adekro da neman sisa. They mean business. Hotel ba kwa wa region so equita top class facilities. And one Regionals Hotel where Duko make up old or district assembly no. Eba executive rooms, twin rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms and economy room, swimming pool, conference room and restaurant. In our Regionals Hotel say, "Bomadi atu tumrika na bra na ubonso ampa." Yeka hotel la enye hotel bia na ye hotel ba hotel assembly top class facilities omo obi a udu hono ma pe we de da as we do abrochire from 05033 37788 and 0244 33 3373. Brunye, Ope baby, I want to bush and back question. Nama farm ho adrian. A Regions Hotel. Home with nature. Now somebody Adum Live Band and Penny for Semincha one pay. Na men can say anopay Ope Live Band that weekend we a year engagement wedding Jumadi be a woody be a here live band was here no for numbers 0242 267538 0242 267538. Watch your number Nadia a Adum Live Band and I make us a lady or two me. Oh my god, talent pa. Now may be your mom pie mommy met me a produce you. Not the power me you me and say biaba. You call him sir. I want to phone one me say. Anyway, you're from in an Kwame Peru, but me from the finest and men catch you. This is the best mid-morning show with yours truly, the finest.
I'm the bunch. Oscar like what you make a first call. When the Coco Master fall in love. You don't say what I don't pass God. Hey. I'm in love. Are you in love? Mama, you done make me fall in love. Fall in love, oh. Fall in love, oh. We supposed marry cause you done make me fall in love. Fall in love, oh. Fall in love, oh. My sweet potato, I wanna tell you my mind, oh. I know understand, oh. Cause I just see well, but them say love is blind, oh. You see us you day, so you are the love of my life, oh. I cannot deny you. I wanna make you my wife, oh. See, I never thought that I'll find someone like you that would capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. I used to brag to my friends that I'd always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, mama, you done make me fall in love. Fall in love, oh. Fall in love, oh. We supposed marry cause you done make me fall in love, oh. Fall in love, fall in love, oh. Fall in love, oh. My sugar banana, as I don't get you, if I say make a hammer, me I know the way to make you come follow me, make we go see my mama. For better for worse, so we could get together in any kind of weather. See, I know the joke, oh. Say na true at the talk, oh. My friends they ask me say, hey, oh boy, what is the matter? Me I dey tell them say, you they make my head scatter. See, I used to lie to myself that I'd always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, mama. Still a stop tall. Sit on the throne and ye shall fall. Welcome the king of the African dance hall. Backbiter, backshot sniper. How come you get so hyper? Look them boy there, them funny thing them a try that. Tell them so we ever make them cry that. Funny boy them try imitate me. Tell them say one of the masses them a rape me. Me too fast, them can't ever chase me. Who want rap me? Come and face me. If you want me to fall, never ever think of it. I will never ever fall. I will never fall. No matter how high I go, I'll never fall, cause I'm a son of a kangaroo. No matter how high I jump, I'll never fall, cause I'm a son of a kangaroo. Kangaroo. No matter how high I go, I'll never fall. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. No matter how high I go, I'll never fall. If you want me to fall, then you don't go low. Never ever think of it, you don't go low. I will never ever fall, you don't go low. I will never fall, you don't go low. No matter how high I go, I'll never fall, cause I'm a son of a kangaroo. How I am down, I never fall, cause I'm a son of a kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Okuma Radio 97.1 Official Pro.
This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. You're from Nana Kwame Peru, which me are from the finest. And Ben in our catch read me. Look at the book of Psalm 105 verses 1. Also give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known among the nation what he has done. Baby, Radini, Abidu 97.1 radio, Mitchell, Okuma, Yabaye, T4, Adofo, and Crankwe, Juma, Cassian, and Ketua, Muni, South, Yadamina, Siena, Fibako, Erade, and Yadi Asida, and in Tuntum Edemano. Isani say ono, and Yadi Ababemo, a Swaye, or correct Abaniso, and Yabidu Sam Pepper. So, Abjaya Shamobon say, near Shasi and the Kitua, Biniaka, and a dorsal, Oswati or command 97.1. Hip, 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 hooray! A 1 year anniversary, or command.
Midindi runs for Dakon, Dodona Frame, DJ Vibes, and Okumamba, Nya Fisher Bako, na Nebeka and say, Yedo Bibia, say by Modia Tum, Mama Station, Akoso, and the exchange of Mukoso and Tea. I'm fan by one time, next station, and blue pepper, so I perceive. You can say the mass, Afishapa, the mass.
Afishapo, Midinde, Nana Kofi Okoyaji, Okuma Radio, Enya Afebako, Niayaka and say, a radisho BBR on your Okuma Radio, Eddie Juma, Ayati Fonso, Niayaka and say, Radin Shamo, Onkoso and Tumunkanem, Namoso Munkosu Tea, Okuma Radio, no Okuma Radio, one a Pama Munina, Okuma Radio, Yabeke be more crapman, Yabeke be more crapman, your sounds will be tea be more crapman, Okuma Radio, BBR for Nefrin, or Yedo BBR, so I say, Afishapo.
Suya Midinde John Mark Dodona Frame McFadden me wo Okuman Radio Okuman edi afe baako yesremo se bribiara no obetie na mama ya adwenkyere ebeboa madwani akoso afishiapa afe nkometo ye medamasi.
This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. You're from Nana Kwame Peru, which me are from the finest. And Ben in our catch read me. Look at the book of Psalm 105 verses 1. Also give thanks to the Lord, call upon his name, make known among the nation what he has done. Any baby Radini Abidu 97.1 radio Mitchell Okuma Yabaye, T4 Adofo, and Crankwe, Juma Cassian and Ketua, Muni South, Yadamina, Yanya Fibako, Erade, and Yadi Asida, and in Tuntum Edema. Isani say ono any idea ababemo eswaye or correct abaniso and yabidu sam pepper. Abusha ya shamobon say ni shase ne de kitwa bi ni aka wachu and a doso koswati or command 97.1 hip 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 hooray a 1 year anniversary or command.
Midinde Nanaji Abo or so Akum American, Melame Nifama or Sumenja or Chidom Hene, Ewa Dukroma. Afiaso, Bequia Pumfina, Fishapa, Ankan Nifamem, Okarefo, Mobibia, Fishapa, Empire Bonus Afenabeko, Asaba to Sumbi, so Mobia and Fobra Bonnet, and consider this to say the bear, Afenan man, Yabompai say, Ubia and Feniji, and Sape, in Via Feno, Nema Fufu from Samede, and Betway. Mubibia Fishapa, Ukwapmatias, Educromantias, a Crapumquasu. Some of them Fishapa. Sonia, Ukraine, Yasin, Namuquay,
ɔmo de boy ɔmo kɔso a na ɔmo so yɛ ase ma adwuma no ntimi ntumpɔn ayɛ so ntimi nya bi hwɛ ne customers ɔkasa no bɛ ba ni hyɛ Fishiapo
Medinde Nanajiabo Osap Yo Afishiapo Afishiapa Afiakwa Pro Samba TMP your friend me opening Kase Ajakwa Mitela Akropo Masina and Junction Mamma Costaments Mamma Bia Samri with Kio Kumai Radio Mamma Bibia Afishiapa I think one Pro Samba TSU Midamasapa Yamisha Wigara Amen.
Ofra me ya furua ensunya me ya choba si o na kasa no no mokase bi magana fu nyina Fishiapa afen kometo yen sa afisi sami na ye nyina ya santi ase ye hu nyina ni mu ye me ne madwuma ya fu nyina mamo Fishiapo
Marakun konyenye Eric ni Adomado wala nukumchu health insurance office le ekropon meji tomato bena afa client ukata alo ame ukata ba wona card le nyago niji Chris so aso job ni na pre efe ego na fe ni na me je si ade now ni bia be ame siame dike health insurance me lo si wa no jagbagba no wa we ame yo si o le ho a no jagbagba wa gba aduli be wa ton azin ayi koji apena mi o.
I am DSP John Ajua, Akropong Akwiapem Divisional Crime Officer. We are almost into the Yuletide. My only plea is that though the events of crime is getting high at every corner, Akropong is somehow calm. As compared to last year, this year we've not recorded serious cases as the previous years. When it comes to the drivers, that is where our concern much is. Though we are entering the Yuletide, I think they have to be very careful in the way they used to move on the roads. We know it is difficult, but we only plead that they should try as much as possible to go on their average speed. This is the time people, through the Yuletide, so many things happen. Some on drugs, drinks, so many things. Let's try and play it safe to the extent that wherever you are going, you go and come back safely. As for the communities, yes, we should all understand that yes, we should be each other's keeper. When you are leaving, at least let your neighbor understand where you are going. When you don't come, they take a cue, watch your back. All the time, especially when they are in Yuletide like this. That is where the criminals observe and also operate. So let's be each other's keeper. So that we'll go into it together, come back, come out of it together. Then peace will be our aim. What I will only conclude is that let's see, though so many things are happening, Akropong in general, Akropong Akwiapem is peaceful. We would like everybody to continue to live in peace. Now where we find ourselves, it's only peace that we'll be talking about. So this is my short Yuletide message for Akropong Akwiapem. I wish everybody Merry Christmas and a very prosperous New Year.
Yes, it is what it is on radio. I am the finest. Not two ways about that. But me mama didn't know be say. I have barely just about 7 more minutes to say bye-bye to you. We are going straight to Angel. Yeah, Koji Angel midday news, you know. Mami Chiami Ame Mami. Yeah, Osofo Prophetess Mama Mary, Ambassadors of Salvation Prayer Ministry. And I that was a papa. Wobomodia. Now, what do you know? And so, Bomodia by Akpene Secretary Bakope. Yami shall be brave. One queen. Anyway, I wish you. My name has ever been the same. Ex-Royal Finest Nana Kwame Perry. Nyami amani ya dasoti asia. Abi you know. Maminja in the safe hands of Kiss Daniels. I say Odo you. And going out to all my lovely fans out there doing their listening. Me domododo. Nyami amani ya dasoti asia. Echina. Be good. Stay out of trouble, because I need you alive. I am out.
All right. Go.